So in this video we're going to be looking at how MySQL reacts when we're using transactions. I've got two putty sessions and I'm going to start MySQL in both of them. And at the moment, originally we were working in auto commit mode, which means that when I make a change in one window you can see the output in the second window immediately. Auto commit mode means that the commands go through and are visible throughout the system. So that's the current state. You can see Andrew's got £101, Brian's got £100. And what we're going to do is change the amount that Andrew's got. Let's update Andrew's wealth. So if we change that so that Andrew's now got £102, when I run that, a commit happens automatically, and I should be able to see the same value in the lower window. So if I select star from wealth where cost equals Andrew, you can see that 102 has come through automatically. I changed it in the top window and we could see the result in the bottom window. The behavior is quite different if I start a transaction. So if I say begin in the top window and I'll make another change, let's give Andrew £103. So I give Andrew £103, but because I started the begin statement, I've started a transaction, and that doesn't come through to the lower window. So we should find that it hasn't changed. If I look at the lower window, you can see there's no change there. That's because at this stage here, what might happen next is either a commit, in which case that command comes through, or I could do a rollback, in which case the change just gets forgotten and it's not visible to anyone. So because it's still possible for a rollback to happen here, if I was to see that change, if this lower window was to see the 103 value, that would be what's called a dirty read. It's a read that hasn't necessarily been committed. So let's commit that and observe that it comes through in the lower window. So now we can see Andrew's got 103 and it came back. Had I rolled back the top window, then nothing would have changed in the lower window, which is as it should be.